What if I told you that the solution to every pest problem in your garden is already growing in most kitchens right now? And the pest spray you have been buying is actually making your problem worse over time. Here is what the garden chemical industry does not want you to understand. Every time you spray a broad-spectrum pesticide, you kill pests and you kill the predators that eat those pests. The pests reproduce faster than the predators. So 3 weeks later, you have more pests than you started with, and now you need more spray. It is a cycle that benefits one party, and it is not you. The plants growing in your kitchen right now break that cycle permanently. Garlic to full blended bulbs per gallon of water, strained, left to sit 24 hours. And you have a spray that aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies genuinely flee from. The sulfur compounds in garlic interfere with the navigation systems soft-bodied insects use to locate plants. They do not build resistance to it the way they build resistance to synthetic chemicals. And ladybugs, bees, and predatory wasps are completely unbothered by it. Neem oil. This comes from the neem tree, and it is perhaps the most complete natural pest solution that exists. It disrupts the hormone system of insects, preventing them from molting, reproducing, and feeding normally. It works on over 200 species of pest insects. It does not harm earthworms, birds, beneficial insects that are not directly sprayed, or any mammal. Mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil with 1 teaspoon of dish soap as an emulsifier in 1 quart of warm water. Spray in the evening to avoid burning leaves. Reapply every 7 days. Diatomaceous earth. This is ground fossilized algae, and it looks like fine white powder. To insects, it is like crawling across shards of glass. It destroys the waxy coating on insect exoskeletons, causing them to dehydrate and die. Dust it around the base of plants, on soil, along garden borders. Rain washes it away, so reapply after wet weather. Food grade only for garden use. Cinnamon. Dusted on seedling soil to prevent fungus gnat larvae. Circle ant colonies with it. Apply to the soil surface where fungal disease is present. Antifungal, anti-insect, and costs almost nothing. Chili pepper spray. Blend hot chili peppers or dissolve chili powder in water, strain, and spray on leaves. Capsaicin is intensely irritating to most insects and to mammals that might be nibbling your plants. Deer, rabbits, squirrels, reapply after rain. The rotation strategy that makes this work long-term. Do not rely on one method exclusively. Rotate between garlic spray, neem oil, and diatomaceous earth throughout the season. This prevents any pest population from adapting. Keep the habitat for beneficial insects by leaving some areas of your garden undisturbed. The beneficials do the work between your applications. The chemical spray under your sink cost you money, disrupted your garden ecosystem, and will need replacing in 2 weeks. The garlic in your kitchen solves the same problem for free and makes your garden healthier over time. Follow Taro Roots. Share this with every gardener you know. Comment which one you are trying first.